Playing Among Us. Let's start. No. They're hiding behind us. Okay, let's start the game. Don't tell if you're crewmate or imposter. Crewmate or imposter. Hey, I heard someone. Why is your volume not zero? Huh? Oh my gosh, so many tasks. Jungle collect samples. Okay. Oh no, our airship broke.
These stars are always over here. You don't need to
Mama, remember the area where we are for waiting players? It's over here, and it's all broken. The waiting player area, it's all broken. Come over here. What?
Who's having the victory?
How did we get defeated? Come back. Somebody left the game.
Oh, it could be.
Baba. Izan joined.
I'm in the game.
No, Izan.
I won.
Izan, come.
You two waiting for host.
Okay, 1 minute in the game and somehow we beat it. Let's see who. Oh my god, my screen protector. What? Who is it, the imposter? Who am I?
Run away.
From who?
I know. I'm running away. I just know I'm running away. Why am I? Everything is put.
Someone reported. Mama, stay with me.
No,
Why?
I don't trust you.
This dead body reported.
You did it.
No, I didn't.
I did it.
Why did you tell? Why did you tell us that? Don't tell.
I did it. I knew because the way you came and stand near me.
Izan, don't tell now. And why is the volume high? Oh my god, my volume so high. Baba,
Stop leaving.
Baba, leave the game. What begins in so long?
Stop leaving.
अबे मैं गेम में हूँ.
मैं हमें आता है जब भी आप
नहीं आता.
जब भी आप स्ट्रीम होते हैं हमारे पास आता है.
Yeah, mission. Oh my
ये
god.
मोटी कितना टाइम क्यों ले रहा है भाई?
Because we are talking. Who killed me? I mean, who killed Izan?
We are not talking.
Why? Why?
I need to vote.
Yeah.
But it says voting begins in 16 seconds.
Yeah, because we have to talk. Who killed Izan? I want some juice.
एक ग्लास पीना बस.
लोकल और
Logan. Never online. Online only sometimes. I do like online better. It has mods.
तो आना यूजफुल हो जाएगा तो पता है तुम कितने इम्पोर्टेंट हो.
He's not useful. How
I
is?
am not able to proceed.
Oh, proceed. I don't know proceed. Oh! Rayan the worst imposter. My
क्या
name.
हो रहा है? मुझे क्यों नजर नहीं आ रहा?
पता नहीं आप क्या करते हैं. अरे यार.
Wait.
Game is not showing.
This is the bad scene. Why is this game start being like this?
Bro, I don't know.
I have to close it.
Close the game. First time you guys actually see my. What is this game? I don't want this factory's game. Eh?
Why is that?
I have fake playtime for no reason. Okay. Let's just close Among Us. No.
I wait for
ये तो no host showing.
Wait, Baba.
Useful oil. I'll go to useful oil. He's the host.
No.
He is the host.
Don't go to use. Don't go to useful oil. Don't go to useful oil. Don't go to useful oil.
Okay.
Go to a different one. It's Rayan the. Huh? I have to reset my whole game.
That one. I wanted that one.
Did you create your? What did you do? So how to leave?
I
He
wanted.
created me as host also.
Join my game.
I wanted that.
How?
It's hide and seek.
I have. You asking my question.
Leave the game.
How?
You don't know. I taught you so many times how to leave.
Do it in my hand.
Because everybody's a host here now.
Rayanda. Go to Rayanda.
See, come to Rayanda.
I thought he knew how to leave. Everyone's acting so dumb.
तो काम
It's written Rayanda crazy.
Okay, we are doing hide and seek. Hide and seek. It's hide and seek.
हाँ सुन लिया
Hide and seek.
हमें आवाज आ गई.
Let's see who is seeker. Who is seeker? Who is seeker? Who is seeker? Let's see who's seeker. Oh, it's on seeker. It's on seeker. Oh no, it's on seeker. I'm looking. Oh, run! I don't need my task. I will just run.
Oh, we have a chance.
Just run away from Azan.
Nan is. Who's you asking to run
ये
away?
रेड वाला कौन है?
Stop following me.
Who?
हाँ, ये बाबा जान के आगे तक जल्दी से हार जाए तो अपना मोबाइल यूज कर सकें.
Mama, is Hans the imposter?
I know. Me and Zan look same.
Oh, he's near! He's near that way! Look at your meter! Look at your meter! Oh!
I wanted to be killed.
He wanted to be.
I know.
Don't leave the game, okay? Lower him.
Never leave.
You killed me.
Wow.
Never leave.
Oh, who's that? Mama, stay with me, please. You're the only helpful one. Mama!
You killed me.
What?
What have you?
Again, okay.
So what
Where's
have
the
you?
challenge?
I said everyone.
Here! It's over here! Here!
ओए अच्छा तुम ही हो
Never leave.
हमें who's this guy
Oh my god, you don't know who's. Oh! It's Azir! It's Azir! Go in the vent! Sorry, I had to vent out. Because in hide and seek you can vent. Yeah, the meter says he's far. At least I have a meter. You also have a meter, right? Oh!
you just shot me
Mama, he's near! He's near!
hey that's not it
Oh! No!
I told you not to go there
Sorry, I did not know.
I said no I was the ghost I could have helped you all the challenge idiot
Oh my god.
because when I become ghost it's light everywhere I can see everything so I could have guided you to go there and there you did not even stop
I did not. Mama, you would ghost. Mama, game starting. Let's see who's hider. I mean, seeker. I hope so. I am.
इसमें बता देता हूँ.
I'm seeker. I'm seeker. I'm seeker. I'm seeker. I'm seeker. 10, 9,
I don't even remember
Eight.
how you look like
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My hat is also gonna kill you guys. Baba, why you leave? Naughty, naughty, just wanting to play games.
yes I am stop using bad words okay
This is naughty.
I am
Okay,
I told you
I'm finding you all. Right when you said it. I almost pressed the end video button. You cannot report. You cannot report on this board. I see your dead body too. Mama, I'm looking at his dead body.
But the only reason I would feel fail in this game
Huh?
is when you're done with the task, you should just quit, right?
No, you have to report people. Maybe they will add an update when you do that. emergency button is broken. Like, look at it. Seek. Oh, I can seek. Oh, Mama, can I tell you something? I know where you are. You're in navigation. Oh, I'm there. Oh, wait, what? You're gone. Huh? Where's my seeking ability till? You're right here. Where are you? Huh? Where are you? It seems that you... You are right in front of me. Where are you? Oh my God, it's telling me Zan's dead body. Oh! What, you have the meter or something? Mama, there's a boss fight in hide and seek, so I would not like you to actually... Mama, there's a boss fight in hide and seek. Oh, I saw you! I was looking at my seeking ability. Mama, boss fight time. It's time for the boss fight. It's boss fight time.
What does that mean?
Oh, you don't know what's a boss fight? Looks like you're going to lose. It tells me where you are.
It's all so black, I just hate it.
Boss fight. No! Seek! You're not in bed, boy! No! No, you're so far! No! No!
I win! I win! I did all the tasks. You passed by me 3 times. You didn't touch that movie 3 times.
I don't see you!
You were not supporting me.
Baba!
I cannot
Come.
use a hide and seek. There is no option to report you.
We can report.
But there, I cannot find how to.
Baba, come.
The whole person is.
So why did you not show me?
Mama, we cannot report in hide and seek. Baba!
Come.
Ravi, how nicely I will.
Huh?
You know what? When you came to catch me, I quickly ran away. Come nearby you.
So come.
You were in the right place.
Did you see the meter?
So click on.
You
I don't know how to do that.
Oh, the meter. Oh, it looks like if I'm not imposter, the meter is so good.
I know what meter is.
Oh my God, you don't even know what is a meter.
But still I win and then you lose. Even if I don't know the game.
Oh, it's on. Easy.
Run away! Run away! Run away! Run away!
He's turning into the imposter. Oh no, he is. He's the imposter. Please don't get near me. Baba!
बाबा जान नहीं कर रहे बाबा मुझे पकड़ के मुझे खा दो
Mama, stay with me. Stay with.
यार तुम मेरे साथ नहीं आओ
Yeah, no, but I'm not imposter.
You know you see her with me standing beside me looking at me where am I
I'm hiding you. I'm hiding you. No. Mama, do you want me to go in the vent? You can also go in the vent.
where am I okay
Shall I go in the vent?
अच्छा तो follow
No, I'm following you. I'm using my flashlight.
I have a flashlight also. I also have flashlight.
Mama, he was near. Mama, he was near us. Let's finish this task. He's near. He's near. He's coming. He's near. Oh, he's far. Mama, I'm gonna tell you from the meter if he's near or not near. Okay, I just did a task. Let's go do another task. Come. Don't know how to do that task?
why are you with me
Because I want to be with you.
I'm not sure.
Where did you go?
what's wrong with you why are you not being with me
Ah, he's near. He's near. He's near. He's near. He's near. Mama, he's near. Okay? I'm in the engine. I'm in the lower engine. I'm in the reactor right now. Oh my god, ship is going so fast.
I want to kill somebody.
Mama, he walked right past me. Mama, he walked right past me.
Where are you?
I was hiding in medbay. He came in medbay and he did not see me. He was not using his flashlight properly. Actually, I don't even need the flashlight. Yeah, I don't need the flashlight. It's so hard. Oh, at least I found a task. This is the task I was fighting the whole time. Oh, it's easy. Oh, he's coming near. Mama, he's near. He's no.
I killed somebody.
Hey!
Mama, he was right next to it. Don't go there. Don't go there. Okay, go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. He's
Forward is a wall, I ran forward.
He's not near. He's not near. Okay, he's not near. Okay. Oh, at least the lights are back on when you're ghost. Just stay there. Okay. He's not near you. Okay. Oh, boss fight is going to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boss fight. Mama, he's near. He's near. He's near. Run! 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 He was near, okay?
I know.
I'm protecting you. I'm haunting you. Oh, I can haunt you. That's way easier. Mama, I can haunt you. It's way easier. I can tell if you're safe or not.
Am I getting stars or winning or not?
Okay, you're far. Yes, you get stars. He's near. He's near.
I win! I win!
We
I
win.
win,
No,
I
we
win.
win. We win.
I win!
Mama, we win. We win. We win. The crewmates
I
win.
got those kills.
Baba, why is you all the always last?
Because you just wait, come and kill me so I can do anything else.
Baba,
Baba, ha! What if he's imposter, Baba? Baba, he's always being so late.
Yeah, why do you hide you?
Let's start. I'm starting. Wait. We're still in hide and seek. Ah.
मुझे परवाह है, खाने के ऑप्शंस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, पागल पूरी पातल नहीं लोगों के।
It's you this
हाँ,
It's you.
task नहीं रहेंगे।
You can't do tasks. But this time you have to kill us. Now I have to be focused.
How I'm counting as if I'm falling down?
My meter says you're far.
Baba left the game. You were here.
Baba,
Here.
Baba, always leaving the game.
I wanted the kill.
Ooh.
Oh, I don't care.
My meter says you're far. I hope so I can beat the boss fight. Mama, have I ever beat you in hide and seek? Mama, have I ever beaten you in hide and seek?
No,
Ah, okay.
I have never been a person actually.
A seeker in hide and seek? Okay. I'm just hoping. I'm just looking at my mirror so I'm safe. I'm not doing any of the tasks. Oh, I should do the tasks. I'm being dumb. There's one in electrical. I mean, there's one in med bay.
Huh? Huh? You know where am I? Aya?
Huh?
See.
What? Nice. Were right next to me.
I know. I'm.
I see. I just saw her in the 3D camera.
What?
Aya, I saw you.
Oh! Mama, I saw.
How are you going so fast?
Because I don't know.
Ah. Aya?
Can't go that way. You're in the way where I want to go.
I know.
I saw you.
Come in front of me.
I saw Daya. I saw
Did you notice I went to the navigator?
Yeah.
How do you know? You're looking at your seeking ability? I just wanted to.
I saw Daya.
Okay, G.
Without seeing him. I only saw this with a 3D camera.
Okay.
I was fine.
Vent. Sorry.
I went in the vent. Kutta. I saw you going inside the vent. बाबा तो है ही नहीं थी तो.
Yeah, so.
I just see that.
Eddie, where is Aya?
I saw
मैं तो मुझे मार के दिखाओ।
Daya.
है नहीं यहाँ. Eddie, where is Aya? अबे Zan, where?
I'm in the upper engine. Happy?
No, you're not. You're in the lower engine.
Oh. I'm being dumb. Okay, I'm going to O2.
I don't see you.
साले तू तो इतनी स्टोरेज पे कैसे चले गया?
Huh? See 3D camera.
अच्छा, okay. Thank you.
Go right there.
Okay.
Then go over there. And
I can use the vent, right?
go to 3D camera and try to find me.
Too fast, too slow.
Oh, I didn't know we have this also.
Oh, finally. Oh.
Yeah.
This task is so hard. Was right. Auto coach. No. 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 The boss fight just started. The boss fight just started. The boss fight just started. The boss fight just join. Join. Is that? Is it Baba? Baba, this time don't leave, okay?
You know what happened?
Baba? Baba, join. Baba? Karo.
So, I will.
What?
I will like this. I will like that. I will for every possible way. Very sorry, thank you.
Oh, what is
Mountain Dew.
Wait. Go. Wait. Mountain Dew? I don't care if Fizzy Fazzy happened.
ओए ये तो यार ये क्या
उसका टेक के जैसे दफा आपको पता है कैसे होगा?
the Mountain Dew overflow.
थोड़ी नहीं गिरी है ये तो पूरा
Oh, I'm the imposter. I just took my hat out my mouth. Die. I just said bye to Baba. Say bye to Baba. Baba.
I see 3D camera.
He left the game when I killed him. Why can't I seek? I wish I could seek. Oh, maybe I have to see the admin room. I have to see admin room. I just forgot. Where's admin? There's admin. So then I can seek, right?
I see 3D camera.
No. I can't seek. That's so sad.
Don't see my 3D camera.
It's not showing me, actually. It's not showing me my seeking
I see
ability.
the white Daya.
Where is Aya?
I'm just minding my business.
You have to.
Somebody did a task. Die! Now I can seek. Now I can seek. Now I can seek. Mama, why are you chilling in admin? Oh. How did you escape? That's not fair. But I think I know where you are. to escape. Why are you so fast? What is it, because of my tongue? My tongue. Look at it. Why am I detecting only one body? Mama, am I near you? Where? Can you see your meter? Oh, did you learn how to use the meter? Oh, good. No lies.
I don't know how to. I don't have an option of that. I don't know what you guys talking about.
There's no option.
How do you know? What do you mean?
Nothing. Where are you running off to? It says you're an admin, but you're not. I also the boss fight kills you. Wait, why is there so many people in cafeteria security? What?
Can I sabotage?
No. You can't sabotage. But you're not killer. Are you dumb? Thank you for telling me my nice game. Yes! 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 Yes!
I'm telling you straight, I was stuck with the wall.
You stuck in the wall. I saw you and then I could no, kill.
Waiting for a host agent, why?
Okay. I will come back. I will play Among Us next video. Bye.